Hello everyone, Ryan Hyde over here. Want to share a quick tutorial on how to edit the activity widget, the different actions such as new event, log a call, email, new task. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into it here. Here we are under an account record page, and I want to edit the fields that are available under the new task, new event, log a call, and email. These do not in any place live under the object manager, under the account, or any of the associated objects you're looking at. These are going to be global actions. So what we're going to do here is back in the setup, we're actually going to go into the global actions. And here we'll be able to edit those. Because these are global actions, these are listed on several different objects. I'm going to go ahead and edit the, we'll say new event. So here I am. What I'm going to do just to show what's happening, I'm going to take off a bunch of these fields. Now obviously it may not be recommended to take off a required field, but I'm going to save it here. You'll notice now that there are only going to be 4 on the new event. So here's several. I'm going to go ahead and refresh the new event. And you'll notice here that that is going to now have only 4 fields. So again, this is a global action of all of these that live on the activity timeline across all objects. Hope that was useful. Until next time.